This big gal was looking a little dusty and a little limp, so it's time to give her a little self-care day in the shower. Firstly, I pulled her out of her decorative pot. I always keep plants in the nursery pots because this makes it super easy when you need to water them, and also is really easy when you need to repot them. Little plant hack for you. After showing her off to all my other plants, I got her into the bathroom and into the shower. If you want to try out showering your plants at home, make sure that the water is not full hot or full cold. We don't want to shock or burn the plant. Just below lukewarm is good. So this is a little behind the scenes of how I make sure that you can see all the great action shots of the Monstera and the ASMR. They go from above. Make sure you rinse off all the leaves and then also give the soil a really good soak. You can then wipe the water off each leaf, which will help get off any dust. Leave it to dry, or you can shake the plant, whatever you like. This Monstera is in need of a repot, but I did not have the energy for today, so I'll wait for another day. Lucky Monsteras are one of those plants that actually like to be root bound, so it's not urgent. Next, I had a look at the leaves and removed this yellow one. As I gave this plant a shower, obviously the topsoil is wet, so I'm going to add some sticky traps for any gnats that may appear. I only really have a gnat problem when I top water, which is why I prefer to bottom water. After a little iced coffee break, I brought the plant back downstairs. Look how much better she's looking already with those shiny leaves. After my senior schnauzer approved it, we were all done.